At the river, a curious friendship blooms. But there's more to their adventure. They decide to leap from tree to tree. But will the turtle keep up? Just when things seem impossible, the turtle discovers its hidden strength. Together they make an unexpected team. But not every leap is smooth. They land safely, but what's next? They discover a hidden treasure. These treasures hold special stories. Each shell, a memory of adventures past. But as the sun sets, they must find shelter. Under the tree they find comfort. They share stories of their day's adventures. But suddenly a mystery unfolds. Is it a friend or a new adventure? They decide to investigate together. What will they uncover in the night's embrace? This is just the beginning of their story.